28. And I feel revival, y'all. That's all. I feel revival. I feel revival. I feel revival. I can't hear like I want to, but I feel revival now. Genesis 28. Woo! I'm going to read, and I'm not going to preach long. But aren't you glad that after all the hell you've been through, the devil didn't take your yes away? Tell your neighbor, I lost a whole lot of stuff. But tell him I still got my yes, I still. Some friends got funny. I lost some money. I lost some sleep. But I checked my inventory. I still got my yes. Still got it. Still got it. All right. 28:16. Woo! Run, man. This is what Sunday night is for. We didn't come to be cute tonight. That's why you change clothes. Y'all keep running, you're going to run into a scholarship. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. I said don't play with it. Don't you know this church is under an open heaven? Don't you miss your moment. No, 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 no. I'll say to my, he's done great things. He's done great things. I'll say yeah, to my Lord. Oh, we gotta go down. I'll still say yes. I'll still say yes. I'll still say yes. In spite of what's up against me, I'll still say yes. Yeah, I'll still say yes. I ain't changed my mind. Still say yes. Oh, I'll still say yes. I ain't changed my mind about God, no. I'll still say yes. 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 Let me hear y'all say it. I'll still say yes. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Say it again. One more time, say yeah. One more time, say yeah. One more time, say yeah. said shout on a Sunday night. I said shout on a Sunday night. I said shout on a Sunday night. To your will and to your way, and I'll even obey. What do y'all say tonight? What do y'all say tonight? I'll still say yes. I'll still say yes. I ain't changed my mind. I ain't changed my mind. Pressing on to see what the end's gonna be. I'll still say out of Genesis 28 and 16. Did you lose your yes though? Did you lose your yes? Tell me then.